Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Start by opening both Binance and Coinbase. In Coinbase, click Send and Receive at the top right. Then Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency you want, like Litecoin, and copy the address provided. Switch to Binance. Click Wallet, then Withdraw. Select the coin you're withdrawing, paste the Coinbase address, and choose the amount. Confirm the transaction and complete any security verifications. Your withdrawal will appear in Binance Recent Withdrawals, awaiting approval. Once processed, your crypto will show up in your Coinbase account. Remember to double check addresses and networks. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.